So I really hope to show what I made during past 5 years. We installed maybe more than 400 systems in Korea. Now we are moving to class. And this month we make a real one university installing 10 classroom using this machine, video conference room and also classroom. This university which we are installing is very famous. Once they install this one broadcast all over the country. Many schools will install this one in their classroom. This is the market. This is very unique market we made. Understand?
It sounds interesting, but Dr. Kim, I think we have to note one thing.
Yeah.
Those systems that owned by school more than 5 years, 7 years, and so they are all scrapped already.
Yeah, no problem.
They don't keep because they keep renewing.
Okay. Even they don't have old one, don't worry. We can install software in there, any computer or PC for them to use. So don't mind about their machine. Hardware is not the issue now. Software is the issue. Their notebook, if they have an NVIDIA graphic computer, we can install this system for them to convert their live office or classroom into professional virtual studio. And all our software now changing completely for them to use without any operator. Just find the customer who already know our product. We visit there, we make them happy, and we make them to use this one live for every day. This customer become your advertisement client.
So in short, this system does not require a green screen.
Yeah.
So you can switch between the virtual camera and you can put your PowerPoint.
Right. The combining presenter, teacher, and teaching material, they do normally just a presentation with a PowerPoint. They don't have to show this one in the classroom, but actually even they present like a PowerPoint only, the recording video is this output. So some people don't want to show this one in small TV screen in the classroom, but the other classroom watching this way, while he's teaching PowerPoint like this way in his classroom. So two-way, if they have big LED like auditorium room, we directly output to this one to the LED screen or projector screen as we did in the Polytech University seminar. You know, you remember we make a previous time our output to the screen. Either they can use this way or a small classroom, we don't have to show this output to the classroom. We just say this way of PowerPoint only they teach, but when they do teach with PowerPoint, automatically this output recorded and also streaming in real time to other classroom.
So Dr. Kim, if without camera, if the classroom does not have camera, what can this system use?
The camera actually, better camera is of course the better, but we use just small USB camera, no problem. There are many low-cost China USB camera which is just $150. But of course if they have a Sony camera, better color, better quality of course. But for presentation, they don't have to make a very high quality of the presenter. But in the classroom, anyway, we just use a normal PTG, especially, you know, the Singapore product, you know, the camera name Obispot camera from Singapore. Has a very tiny, very accurate tracking. We can use that one in the classroom, very small size but high quality. But our main market is software. They can use existing camera, existing mic. We just integrate to use this one in every classroom, every conference room. So I can stay with you several days in Singapore, and we can work for you. Any customer we can install free of charge software. There is some logo, limited time version. Or the customer who already bought our system in 10 years ago, we can install full version for them to use very professionally. And in your room, for your computer, we can install. So you can do same demonstration in every time.
Mm. Mm.
Okay? Anyway, I'm
Yeah.
ready to go. I'm very happy to continue my business with you. You have all the rest, camera, microphone, professional experience. So once you know how iStudio is working without any professional operator, you will be very happy to introduce to other people. All the business now, there's no big difference. But iStudio has a completely new market creation now.
Mm. And meanwhile, Dr. Kim, you have can you guide me to anywhere to read up more about your iStudio solution?
Excuse me one more time?
Just guide us. Where can we get more information about
Yes,
your
yes, of course.
iStudio?
I can send you all the information before I visit there. So you will see, and also with my video. Most of my iStudio video in YouTube is Korean, because we're trying to make a Korea market first. And we have a huge installation and we have experience. After that, now time to go other country. Previous time too fast, but now we are really ready for you to start. So
let's explore it and see how it come about. Yep.
yeah, of course I can send you pricing point, business model within this week. Okay, so next week I can visit you to discuss. We'll have some vacation time there, several days. During this time, I can visit whoever you wants to demonstrate. I can go and work with them. And also, I will install the system in your office. Any notebook, any computer, okay, I will install and we can work together for you to professionally use our iStudio.
What is the minimum requirement for a PC?
If you have NVIDIA, any like a 3060 model, whatever, higher, then automatic AI function, the chroma key removal working. But any PC okay now for you. If you have a chroma key green screen, it works for professionally. No requirement. But Windows only.
Okay.
The best idea is if you have a game notebook, is great. Because you can carry notebook to everywhere.
Well, you are more detailed. This way the school of teaching concept is quite different from those days.
Yeah.
I think the school also open up to a new direction also.
Yeah.
So there's no harm for us to try.
Mm.
And in fact, Dr. Kim, for information, now these days the secondary school seem to be more active.
Yeah.
Procuring new thing rather than the higher institution, because the higher school, they have a very specific requirements.
Yeah.
We even do a very special, I don't know what to call it, very special teleprompter, whereby the teacher can stand in front of a big glass, and the email or present a big glass. You need to hand to move around the picture. Thing like this.
Yeah, of course the other people's specification, but nobody have this idea so far. We are the only one company who approaching with this virtual technology for presentation. I'm trying to change the way of presentation in any office, company, presentation, conferences. I can send you several videos for you to understand. This is completely new market, but big revolutionary market. And also your company and my company already has a good experience of professional video industry. If we work together, we can completely conquer this market together. So I will send you I will prepare English version of my document, simply maybe 1 or 2 days. I will send you. And then next week, as soon as we pay money, and we will fly and work with you several days until you really understand, and then we can expand the business worldwide. Okay, nice talk. I'm very happy to see you. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Kim.
Bye bye.
Bye.